why our country India is not developing. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am standing before you to talk about something that is very important for our country. Not for us, but for our country. Today I am going to talk why our country India is not developing to as much as fast other countries are developing, like Saudi Arabia, USA and many other countries are there. They have more power, more technology and many more things that India is lacking in. So, India is not developing fast. I'm not saying that India is not developing, but its developing strategy is too slow because of some small things that the citizens of India do and also politicians do. Politicians are making Hindus and Muslims fight together, and they are only proposing one kind of religion. In some political parties, they are promoting temples. In some political parties, they are promoting mosques. And if this will happen for a long time, then Muslims and Hindus will fight together like that. This country will not have any respect in the eyes of other countries which are its friends. And what the citizens are doing? Citizens are throwing garbage wherever they want. And what the government do? They take that garbage and dump it on ground, and then this creates pollution. India is one of the most polluted country in the world because of the things that its citizens are doing. India is trying to develop at a very high speed, but these such acts are not making India to do that things. And citizens are not only doing these things, they are also doing other things. There are theft cases and many other cases that are being happening. In India, one thing is most common, the rape cases. Rape cases are coming every year. There is no